Business budgeting. Business budgeting normally is not actually very popular among most of the people because they always look at a budget as if it's a tool that is going to incriminate them. Or maybe they think that when somebody talks of budgeting, they think that maybe you want to monitor the money or you want to take away their money. But believe you me, budgeting is key to any successful business. So that by definition, budgeting, you can relate it is it involves planning ahead of what you expect to get from an enterprise over a certain period of time, and as such, it gives you a picture of how your business is going to be like after maybe in a month, a quarter, or in a year, and it will give you a picture of what sort of costs you are likely to incur. As such, I think at this time it's important that I should also introduce myself, that I'm Pashare Moyo, the author of the book called You Are Born for Business, that is actually selling on Amazon as a Kindle version. And in the book I've highly outlined how the budgeting process is done. Therefore, it is important that as I continue to discuss with you, you'll be able to follow 2 or 3 things. In this case, as I've indicated, that budgeting involves planning ahead of the expected results. In short, it's a statement of the income that you are expecting to get over a particular period of time. And if it's a plan of what you expect to get, therefore this budget can be for a crop that you are growing, or it can be for a livestock. It can be also, maybe you have an internet cafe, or maybe it can be for a catering business. All these entrepreneurs need to have a budget so that they are able to adhere to what they have planned for. Otherwise, many of the businesses that the business problem that we're facing is because we're doing business of try and error, where we don't even have a tangible budget that will help us to set targets. Because when you set a target, you need to achieve that particular target. So it is important that you need to ensure that all the costs that you are likely to incur, they are articulated and reflected in the budget. The incomes that you expect to get, they should be reflected in the budget. Because once you have that budget, it will be easy for you to follow. So the other aspect that you need also to know is that budgets are important because it will give you the authority to spend. Because in most cases, people just do it, say, no, after all, I have the money and this is my business. But you see, it will give you the authority to spend. You know how much electricity you need to pay. You know how much money you need to pay your workers. You need to know how much you are planning for whatever cost, because there is that authority. Then the other aspect that people should know, that budgets are important for any successful business or for a growing business, is that it helps the planning and the coordination. The planning and coordination of the resources, the people that are involved in the running of the business, all those are very important. Then it acts also as a control tool. It will give you, since you have set targets, you'll be able, whether you have met the target or you haven't met the target. Or maybe if you are overspending on a particular notch, you'll be able to monitor. Then the other aspect is that when you have a budget, it also helps to enhance the motivation among the workers, because most of the personnel will be also interested to be part and parcel of the execution of the budget that you have prepared. That's why at times maybe in the government circles you find that maybe budgets tend to be prepared maybe by people from headquarters, so that maybe people at the lower level, they are not involved. So you find that even during the execution of such budgets, they might not be, in the interest of the people that are at the lower level, because they are not part and parcel of the process. So hence, if they are involved, it means that the motivational part shall be enhanced. Then it helps also in the monitoring and the evaluation of performance of the business, because you have a budget which has got targets, and if the budget is available, it will be easier to make systematic follow-ups, analyze whether you are moving forward or you are moving ahead. So it is important that the budget aspect in any business, they should be given maximum importance, because if you have a budget, then you'll be able to follow your goals, your targets. I thank you.